Hey guys, so this is Excel tips and tricks part 2. So in today's video, we are going to see how to apply conditional formatting to highlight the cells for value less than, greater than, and also together. So first thing you have to do is you have to select these cells in which you want to apply conditional formatting. So this can be a set of data or numbers or values or anything. So it has to be a set of data. So select that set of data in which you want to apply conditional formatting. Then go to home. There is an icon which is called conditional formatting. It comes in styles. Okay, so select or click on this conditional formatting. Then go to highlight cell rules. We are going to highlight some specific cell based on the condition. Okay, now I'm going to first select greater than, and then I'm going to apply values here. So first I'm going to apply 5. So it will pick all the cells that is having value greater than 5. And then I'm going to apply what type of look I want to give to these cells. I have selected a light red fill with dark red text. Click on that or whatever option you are interested in, then click on OK. Now you can see all the values that are having means all the cells that are having values greater than 5 are being highlighted by light red fill and dark red text. Again, I'm going to apply less than condition. So again, I have selected my range. Again, go to home, conditional formatting, go to less than. Now I'm going to fill the value which I want to apply here. I'm going to select 2. So whichever cell that is less than 2, or you can just give 4. You can actually give the option according to your condition. Just give the value here and give the formatting. What highlighting or what condition you are going to give here. Just select the look. Okay. I'm going to give green fill with dark green text. Click on OK. So all the cells that are having values less than 4 is being highlighted with light green color and dark green text. So this is how I have applied the less than condition and greater than condition. So this type of conditional formatting is possible with Excel. So this is how you are going to do it. So if the video was useful, please like the video and share the video with your friends and subscribe for more.